So he's unboxing it now.
Coming up.
You can do it. Oh wait, do you want me to lift it? Pump the tires.
Starting that myself.
Maybe you get like tools with it. Do you want me to open it?
What?
I think you get.
Move out the way.
Yeah, look. These are all the tools you need for. They come in this box. Got the pedals. Sorry, pedals. You've got this thing. This is your. I think that's your wheel. Reflectors. You don't have to put them on. A bell. Don't have to put them on either. And you've got these tools here. Allen key and something like a bolt spanner thing. Just reflectors. So yeah, that's all you need really. Yeah, he's gonna get the casing off and we'll come back when he's done that, yeah? Right, guys, the first thing he's putting on is his bars. It came with the collective bars, because it's a collective bike, but he's just taken off all the things, cardboard. He's going to put on the bars first, then he's going to put on the front wheel, then pedals, and then seat, and then, yeah, that's it. For taking on the bars, you just have to undo the front bolts. I'll show you that. All you have to do is do the front bolts there. It's just taken off, and then you that's all you really need to do, and then put the bars on, make sure they're straight, and then they're on. So yeah, get back to you when it's done. Right guys, so he's got his bars on. I think he hasn't tightened them all up yet, but seat on. Now you need to put pedals on and wheel on. He's going to take off his front brake because it is a wheelie bike, so yeah, he doesn't really need a front brake. But it is a blue C100, as you can see there. Yeah, it's 10 speed and it hasn't got any second gears, so get a time lapse of now. He's taking off the front brake because he doesn't want it on there. We've got to undo them bolts with a special Allen key. What is that Allen key called?
I don't actually know.
It's just, if you buy an Allen key
got like
set,
special teeth.
yeah. If you buy an Allen key set, it will come with it.
Like compared to like this.
Yeah,
like
that's
that,
a normal Allen key.
This is the one you need.
That's it's a different type. But now he's just got to take off that bit there. Look, fresh C100. Still got to put the front wheel on. Got the seat on. This hydraulic back brake, really nice. Got to put the pedals on. And yeah, come back when he's done. Guys, so he's got his front wheel on. Took off the disc, just tightening the bars, and it's nearly ready to go. All we need to do is just put the pedals on, and I think that is it. And then we'll show you a test wheelie when we are done. Yeah, get to you then.